In this video, I'm going to be recreating Cindy Crawford's iconic makeup look. It's a 90s supermodel look. It's a brown smoky, perfect for brown eyes. Let's start prepping my skin. I love using the Skin Softening Gentle Cleanser by Meaningful Beauty. You know how like a baby's skin is really soft? That's how it left my skin. It leaves my skin very soft, smooth, and glowy. One of the biggest makeup mistakes I used to make is starting off with dry skin. So this is a great pre-prep skin for makeup. Next, I'm going in with the serum. This is the Youth Activating Melon Serum by Meaningful Beauty, and this is going to help hydrate, plump the skin. Later on, I'll be using a matte foundation. This is going to hydrate my skin. I love using this morning and night, by the way. The glowing serum is going to ensure that my makeup does not look dry or cakey. You'll see later in the video that it gives a beautiful highlight under the makeup. By the way, this video is sponsored by Meaningful Beauty, and the products are part of their 7-piece deluxe skincare line. Love using the Skin Softening Gentle Cleanser by Meaningful Beauty. It washes off makeup and it leaves your skin so soft and supple. The glowing serum is my favorite pre-prep makeup. It's very lightweight. This product gives my skin a natural radiance. This serum has melon leaf stem cell technology. It also contains hydrosome H2O. This kind of technology contains high active ingredients. It firms, plumps, and gives my skin such a beautiful radiance. I also love the lifting eye cream. It helped brighten up my dark circles, and an SPF that hydrates and protects my skin from the sun and environmental factors. I rarely have to reapply with this. My skin looks so much younger with this retinol. It has a blend of melon super antioxidants and retinol combined with amino acids. I use these capsules right before I go to bed, and I wake up with hydrated and firmer skin. I get so puffy in the morning. This tool helps so much. You guys need this spray. If you guys want blowouts to be voluminous and last all day, this is it. I know some people like to use this after they style, but I like to use it right before I curl my hair because it locks in my curls and volume so much better. Plus, in Cindy Crawford's ad, her hair has a lot of body. My curls tend to fall out, but the volume stays with this product. Let's get it. Time for the makeup process. I'm using a matte makeup primer. Her makeup is more on the matte side. It is bronzy, but it's matte. And I'm using the IT Cosmetics CC Plus cream for the very first time. And I'm so shocked by this formula. It made my skin look natural. It's like a natural matte finish. I don't like matte foundations. I don't know if you guys noticed, I've been using more of the glowy foundations. However, this one did not cake or dry. I'm using more of a soft kabuki brush to apply that foundation, dabbing it in. And then I'm going in with a matte concealer by bareMinerals. I don't want too much of a highlight under my eyes. I want to match more of my foundation, and also applying it with a soft kabuki brush. Are you guys tired of me using this product? It's the Archies and Halo brow product. I cannot move on from it. Topping it off with the Milk Makeup Brow Gel. I need to make sure that these brows stay in place. Taking a moment to appreciate my under eye makeup. Flawless. Moving on to the eyes. She has a soft brown smoky eye. This is like perfect for brown eyes. I feel like Cindy Crawford officially made Mediterranean beauty in. I felt like I could relate a lot to her beauty because we do have a similar complexion and color tone. Whatever shade she would wear, whether it was in her fashion or makeup, I would recreate at home. She was like my guiding mat for beauty. Tying in the eyeshadow look with a brown gel liner, and I love this by Wonderskin. Their products do not smudge. In Cindy Crawford's Pepsi commercial, she doesn't really have fake lashes. She has a little bit of mascara. The main focus is on the smoky eye. So I like to remove any kind of excess from that mascara just to give it more of a natural look. Time to set my concealer and the rest of my foundation. I like to use the Mercier Brightening powder. Don't hate me, guys. And then also the bareMinerals setting powder. Not a pore in sight. Actually, not a wrinkle or pore in sight. She is really bronzy in that picture, and I think she did get some kind of suntan. I cannot go any darker than this or else it's gonna look ugly or muddy. Then I'm topping it off with this matte blush just to give it more of like dimension, you know? I gotta add dimension to this contour. I find that if I don't top off my contour, I look too sunken in. Using the NovaBeauty Snatched lip liners. If you guys haven't tried these out, what are you doing? Just go get them. This is the best matte lip liner that does not dry out your lips, and it stays on all day. You can wear this formula alone without adding lipstick or a gloss, and they will stay hydrated. I do want my lips to be a little bit more hydrated, so I'm using this NARS lip balm. It has more of a bronzy look. It's like the perfect balm without looking too glossy. I cannot count how many times I've done a blowout. I'm pretty sure I've done these blowouts over 200 times. Now I know in her picture it has more body and less curled. This style does lax out. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed me recreating Cindy Crawford's 1992 Pepsi commercial ad. How did I do? Let me know. See you guys later. Bye!